What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Love Struck mystery bag from IPSY. This was their Valentine's edition. This is the larger bag and this should have 5 full-size products in it. I did just get home from a Valentine's event, so if you want to see how I got this makeup look, you can check it out here. It's my chocolate and roses Valentine's look. But let's get into the bag. First of all, look at the color. It's absolutely gorgeous. Matches my dress perfectly. And it has this little locket for the zip. It is lined, it's just a black liner. So first thing I see is the Real Her You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette. The color is so cute, really muted, and that's very interesting. I guess it's like a bronzer. Interesting. I definitely thought they were going to be more like pinks and reds, but it looks more like bronzy peaches. So I'll definitely give this palette a go. Farrah Creamy Malai Blush Stick, and this is in She Rich. I feel like I already have this color, so I'm gonna set this aside and put it in like my giveaway bin. Yeah, so I already have it, and it is a really beautiful like berry type color. I actually really like this product, so it's not crazy pigmented. It actually is very sheer and like super moisturizing and blendable. Do you see that? So gives like a really nice flush of color. So I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, next is the Thickening Volume Blow Dry Spray from Paradox. It's like an aluminum container. I guess you put this in before you blow dry your hair to like give it volume. Menage a Peptide Serum. Refine and Revive. I feel like I just got one of these too. Yeah, I literally already have this product, so I will set this aside and put it in my giveaway bin. Lastly, in here is the Formula Z Bubble Dream Drop Lip Elixir. It's very thick. I have like a full lip on, so I'm not going to try it on, but it's like just a basic lip gloss. It doesn't really have a smell. I'll probably use this in my gym bag. And that is what was in the Love Struck mystery bag from IPSY. If you like this video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.